Today, we've got a topic that's not just about glamour and glitz, but also a cautionary tale about the potential financial pitfalls that come with that dream luxury car and sprawling mansion. Before you indulge in your desires, make sure you stick around till the end to find out how these symbols of success might actually be harming your financial well-being. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insightful content. Let's get started. Number 1. The allure of luxury. The thrill of driving that high-end sports car or waking up in a mansion with a view to die for. It's what many of us aspire to achieve. The status, the comfort, the sheer opulence. Who wouldn't want that, right? But let's dig deeper into the psychology behind these desires. The allure of luxury isn't just about material possessions. It's about the societal validation and the perception of success. We're bombarded daily with images of celebrities cruising in their flashy cars and living in palatial homes, creating an aspirational culture that ties success to conspicuous consumption. It's essential to recognize that the pursuit of these symbols often comes with societal pressures and expectations, steering us towards financial decisions that may not align with our long-term goals. Are we making these choices for ourselves? Or are we influenced by external factors? Understanding the underlying motivations behind our desire for luxury can be the first step toward making more informed and financially responsible decisions. So as we explore the financial impact, let's also reflect on the deeper reasons driving our pursuit of luxury and whether it aligns with our authentic values and aspirations. Number 2. The financial reality check. But here's the reality check, folks. Often, these symbols of success come with a hefty price tag, and I'm not just talking about the initial purchase cost. The maintenance, insurance, property taxes, and fuel costs for that luxury car can skyrocket, leaving you with a financial headache. Let's break it down. Owning a luxury car means premium everything. From specialized mechanics to custom parts. Even a routine service can set you back a small fortune. And don't forget insurance. It's not just higher premiums but potentially higher deductibles too. Now, that dream house might boast a breathtaking view. But with great views come great property taxes. And maintaining that expansive lawn? It's not just time-consuming, it's expensive. Furthermore, these assets often tie you to a certain lifestyle, potentially limiting job or location flexibility. It's not just about affording the initial purchase. It's about sustaining the lifestyle that comes with it. As we unravel the layers of financial commitments, it becomes evident that the true cost extends far beyond the flashy price tag. Number 3. Depreciation blues. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, depreciation. That shiny new luxury car you just drove off the lot. It's losing value by the second. And that mansion you bought in the hottest real estate market? Well, it might not be appreciating as much as you think. These depreciating assets can seriously impact your long-term financial health. Consider this. The moment you roll that luxury car onto the streets, it depreciates significantly. In the first few years, it could lose up to 30% or more of its value. Now imagine that loss compounded with the ongoing costs we discussed earlier. It's not just a one-time hit. It's a continuous drain on your finances. Similarly, real estate markets can be unpredictable. While some areas see property values soar, others may stagnate or even decline. The assumption that your mansion is a foolproof investment might not always hold true. Understanding the depreciation dynamics of both cars and real estate is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Number 4. The opportunity cost. What could you have done with the money spent on that luxury car or expensive house? Invested it? Started a business? Saved for retirement? These are questions worth considering because every dollar spent on excess is a dollar that could have been working for your future financial security. Think about it this way. The money spent on that top-of-the-line sports car could have been invested in a diversified portfolio, potentially yielding returns that outpace the car's depreciation. Starting a business with the capital used for a mansion might have opened up new streams of income, fostering financial independence. And let's not forget about saving for retirement. Every dollar allocated to mortgage payments for an oversized home could have been contributing to a robust retirement fund. The concept of opportunity cost extends beyond the initial purchase. It encompasses the potential growth and security that could have been achieved through alternative financial strategies. Number 5. Alternative perspectives. Now, I'm not saying you should never treat yourself or strive for success, but it's crucial to find a balance. Maybe consider a high-quality, slightly used car instead of brand new, or opt for a more modest home that aligns with your financial goals. Let's explore the concept of mindful spending. Instead of succumbing to the allure of the newest luxury model, consider purchasing a well-maintained, slightly used version. The depreciation hit is often less severe, and you can still enjoy the performance and prestige without breaking the bank. Similarly, when it comes to real estate, consider the long-term value of a home rather than just its immediate glamour. A more modest house in a stable neighborhood might not have the grandeur, but it could appreciate steadily over time, offering a more reliable investment. Moreover, redirect the money saved into wealth-building avenues such as investments, education, or experiences that bring lasting fulfillment. Finding a balance between enjoying the finer things in life and making prudent financial choices is the key to sustainable success. While luxury cars and extravagant homes may be the epitome of success, it's essential to be aware of the financial consequences they might bring. Remember, true wealth isn't just about what you own. It's about what you keep and grow. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Until next time, stay financially savvy.